Are you wondering how I made these paper flowers from my Cricut Maker? Well, I'm going to show you how to do it right now. Hi everybody, my name is Ruby and welcome to my channel Rubylicious, where I show you how to do DIYs, mom hacks, and lifestyle videos. But today we're going to learn how to make paper flowers with my Cricut machine. This is part 2 to the video, so like and subscribe. Let's get it started. And I'd like to say thank you to Kayla's Cricut Creations, another YouTuber who went ahead and looked up all the numbers for the Cricut Designs. I'm going to search for these flowers. M3CBDF. Enter. Insert image. And then we'll just do the other. Hashtag M4733C. Enter. Insert image. Again, image. Hashtag M4431D. Enter. Insert image. Hashtag M3D7E1. Insert. Three inches wide equals 1 inch flower. Let's make this one like how 6 inches. 6, enter. Layers panel, duplicate. Make this one 8 inches. Let's make this 6. Duplicate. Let's 6 inches for both. Okay. Pink flower. 6 inches. Duplicate. Alright, let's zoom out a little bit. This is getting crazy. This one is 6. Duplicate, make it 8. Enter. Colors the same. I'm also not gonna rearrange it. I'm just gonna push make it. And we have it. So let's go ahead and do 4, 6. got this clamp.
So you want to keep spinning it until you get to the very end where there's a little circle, which you will go ahead and use a glue gun. And you'll see me use that in just a bit. Try to open up the flower with your fingers so it looks like the flower is blossoming.
Okay, so I finished twisting it. My hot glue gun is hot. Putting it on the actual round that I did with my clamp.
Well, here's the final product on my first Cricut Maker design, and I like the way it came out. Thanks for watching.
Are you wondering how I made these paper flowers for my Cricut Maker? Okay, you gotta show them. You gotta show them. Stand up. Stand up. Okay, show them. Show them. Are you wondering how I made these paper flowers?